So the last property of whole numbers that we have to discuss is the distributivity of multiplication or addition. And for that it is if a times b plus c. If a times b plus c, if this will be equal to a times b plus a times c. Okay, that is, first Mr. A will attack it and then Mr. A will attack it, okay, with this sign. So if a times b plus c is equal to a times b plus a times c, then that is the distributivity of multiplication or addition, and it holds true. And I'll explain you with an example. And the example is, suppose I take is 2 multiplied by 5, or let me do it like this. That is 2 multiplied by 12. And if I can write it like this, 2 multiplied by 6 plus 6. Okay, I've just expanded it, and therefore it would be 2 times 6 plus 2 times 6. In this case, the answer would have been 24, and here it would be 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. So you could clearly see that in both the cases, the answer is same, and therefore it follows the distributivity of multiplication or addition. This is distributivity of multiplication or addition, right? This is the case, and therefore it follows.